So we are starting a meadow in our front yard. We have different sections that we're working on, some with more flowering plants that are about 2 or 3 feet high, trying to get different colors in there, flowers that bloom starting now in kind of April, May, obviously going through August, September. And then we have a couple other sections where we'll have higher flowers with the purple New York ironweed and New York asters, and then a lot of white asters that seem to occur naturally here. So we're trying to mix in and not just have a straight lawn, but have these wildflowers to attract the birds, attract the bugs, and just be more suitable for the natural environment.